diesel tractor is at Highland Hill Farm on Route 313 in Fountainville, PA. We're a tree farm, and we use a lot of equipment on our tree farm. This particular tractor will be used when we plant large trees, such as whips that are 6, 7, 8 foot tall. It has a horsepower of about 70 HP, which would be sufficient to pull a large tree planter.
This video was produced at Highland Hill Farm. We grow and sell screening and buffering trees in Bucks County, Pennsylvania, and these are our green giant arborvitaes. Call us for your screening tree needs at 215-651-8329.